Okay guys, in today's video I will be sharing with you my September Ipsy Glam Bag. So if you're curious to see what I got, keep on watching. What's up gorgeous people, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have for you my September Ipsy Glam Bag. So I recently did a video, I don't know, it was a little while ago, where I compared the Ipsy Glam Bag to my BoxyCharm and Allure Beauty box. It was totally unfair because the BoxyCharm is almost double what the cost of the other two are. So I decided that it was probably best that I give this company the spotlight like I do every company when I present them on this channel for the first time. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to go over the various different plans they have to offer and how much they cost in case you guys are interested in ordering from Ipsy. It is a monthly subscription service where you get various different kinds of skincare and makeup, and I'm going to go into the details of all of that in the next segment so that you guys know exactly what to expect should you be interested in getting this. Now, I have their Glam Bag currently, but I am seriously considering upgrading to the, I'm not even sure what it's called, but I'm upgrading to the next level so that I can do a fair comparison with BoxyCharm. We'll see how that goes. I just have so many subscription services coming in at me right now, so we'll see if I actually ever do that. Right now, I'm fine with the Glam Bag, and I will probably continue to do that for a little while longer. So, without further ado, let's jump into what the company is all about and how much their subscription plans are, and then we'll see what I got in my bag. Okay guys, so Ipsy's philosophy is that community comes first. With 3 million Ipsters and counting, Ipsy is a platform for their community to enjoy an endless exchange of beauty ideas and inspo. They celebrate the individual, where they believe you should embrace what makes you unique, and they support this with unparalleled personalization so you can discover the products that will absolutely delight you. They empower others. Your Glam Bag is built to energize, inspire, and express your style. They also support the next generation of beauty entrepreneurs in building their brands and reaching new audiences. Pretty awesome. Okay guys, I wanted to cover this little quote they have on their website where it says, "Beauty isn't one size fits all. It's about you. Everything we do is in support of your journey of self-discovery so you feel confident, letting your unique beauty shine bright every day." Pretty awesome. I'm liking this company so far. Okay, so let's move on to the various different subscriptions they have available. Okay, so their main page looks a little something like this, and as you can see, they have 3 options for you. They have the Glam Bag, the Glam Bag Plus, and the Glam Bag Ultimate. Now, I currently have the Glam Bag. So with this option, it is $12 a month, and you get roughly 2 full-size products and 3 deluxe samples in your bag each month. Then with the Glam Bag Plus, you get 5 full-size products in a drawstring bag for $25 a month. And the Glam Bag Ultimate has 12 beauty products in a deluxe bag for $50 a month. So their pricing is very similar to that of BoxyCharm for these 2 subscriptions. Okay guys, I want to cover one more thing, and I have everything blurred here because I don't want to spoil what I got in my bag, but I love the fact that they have the feature on their website where you can shop the brand. So the products that you get in your bag, you can click shop brand and it'll take you right to that brand's website where you can purchase the product. I love this feature. I don't see this option on a lot of the other beauty boxes, so I really wanted to go ahead and point this out. Now, let's see what I got in my September bag. Okay guys, so here's the little bag. I do love their packaging, super cute. They have their little logo on the bubble wrap bag here. Super cute, love it. Let's see what, ooh, hello. Very cute. Hello, fall. It's like, what's the word I'm looking for? Kind of velvety kind of material, but not really. Whatever. It's super cute. This is a cute little bag, guys. Wow. You know, even if I upgrade, I don't know. I might consider still keeping the Glam Bag. I kind of like it in these little bags because they make cute little gifts. Is there anything else in here? Oh, yes, there is this time. Last time I was like, oh, that's all there is. Not this time. They have this brush in here. So I guess we're going to go ahead and start with this brush. The brush is, it says Firma 103. Ooh, soft, guys, soft. Now, oh yeah, this is great. Wow! Here's the brush. Now, I don't know what all these brushes are supposed to be used for, but this particular little angled brush like this, I've been using for my blush. You guys let me know in the comments below if that's incorrect, but that's what I've been doing. working pretty good for me. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this open because I'm pretty sure, yes, they have a little card in here that tells you what everything is, I think, and how much the cost is. They do. This is a Firma Beauty Elite B103 Angled Contour Brush. Well, there you go. You don't have to tell me in the comments below that I've been doing it wrong because they just told me it's a contour brush. I've been using it for blush. I'll probably continue to do that, just saying. Nonetheless, it says contouring takes time and practice. But don't worry, this angled brush makes it easy. Well, that's awesome. Does it tell me where on my face to contour as well? Because that's a problem that I have all the time. Like, where are you supposed to put this stuff? So if I can just put this brush near my face and it just does it for me, that's awesome. Great. The brush head is designed to sit right under your cheekbones and define them with minimal effort. Plus, the handcrafted synthetic bristles hold powder without any spillage for streak-free application. Okay, pretty awesome. And then they have a little tip. This versatile brush is also the perfect size and shape for applying your highlighter. Something else I don't know where to put. I wish the brush could just, do it for me. But this is a full-size item, and the cost of this is $14.99 for one brush. That's kind of pricey. I mean, I really would expect this brush just to do it all for me at that price. Just saying. Nonetheless, that's the first item that I got in my bag. Super cute, though. I love this bag. I love the brush, too. We'll see how good it does with my blush, because that's what I'm going to use it for. Okay, so this thing here, it says your skin, but better. It's my skin, but it's going to be better. Awesome. So this is It Cosmetics. It's a color-correcting full coverage cream and anti-aging hydrating serum. Hello. That's a lot. You guys go over here with it so that you guys can hopefully see it. I'm going to pop this out of here, though, because, this is in a tan color, which would be the color that I would need. I am a tan person year-round. I don't have to go to the tanning bed for this look, guys. It's natural. Okay, so it's a very small thing here. Yeah, it's very close to my skin tone, though. Look at that. Bam! Woo! Awesome! All right, so, I'm going to read about it in a second, but we'll go ahead and do, oh, yeah, this is really, dead on with my skin tone. I didn't put a picture on my profile for Ipsy, but I swear you would have thought that I did, because this is dead on, folks. Wow. Hello. Can you see it? Well, that's the point, guys. That's pretty awesome. Wow, that's exactly the color that I needed. That's crazy. I'm pretty sure I filled out a little quiz telling them what I needed, but they really gave me what I needed. Go Ipsy. Hello. Okay, so let's read about this. So this is It Cosmetics CC Plus Cream with SPF 50 plus in tan. There's a reason practically every makeup artist, editor, and influencer loves this CC cream. It really, truly works. The buildable formula evens out your complexion and camouflages spots. Yes! I have a lot of spots I need to camouflage. But always looks natural. Guess I should have continued reading, but, I paused to look at you guys and make a comment. Awesome. All right, so then it says, plus it contains vitamins, antioxidants, and SPF to protect your skin as well. So that's good. And now we have a tip. It says dot, as in dot. Okay, it says dot onto your forehead, nose, cheeks, chin, and blend with your fingers or a beauty sponge. Okay, so this is a deluxe sample. So I guess this is not your regular small sample. It's deluxe, a little bit bigger. So what size is it? Does it tell me the size? I will let you guys know if it does. Yes, this is 0.135 U.S. fluid ounces. That's U.S., guys. Okay, so the retail price of the full size of this, which is 32 milliliters, is $39.50. A little pricey, but I gotta say, guys, I would definitely be willing to pay the price if this actually works. And I can tell you right now, the color is dead on. So I'm definitely gonna give this a go because I'm very curious about it. I love any kind of anti-aging thing and things that cover spots because I have a lot of spots on my face that I would like to cover. I have a little bit of vitiligo. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with that, but that's like the Michael Jackson skin disease where you get discolored spots on your body. I definitely have a little bit of that on my face as well as my arms. I don't know, maybe you guys can see that one, but I have it on my arm as well. So yeah, I would like to cover up those spots so that everything just kind of looks the same. We'll see how this does. All right, let's see what else is in here. Alrighty, this is a Generation Clay Urban Defense Purifying Pink Clay Mask. Bam! Did you guys get all that? That was quite the intro for a mask. Not sure what all this does here, but we'll go ahead and pop it open because I love masks. I will definitely use it. It's kind of a, ooh, that color smells great. Not the color. The color looks pretty cool. It actually looks like my skin tone yet again, but it smells really good, so that's good. Let's go ahead and read about it because I don't know where we're supposed to put this, how often we're supposed to use it, all that stuff. Okay, so Generation Clay Urban Defense Purifying Pink Clay Mask. It's bursting with good-for-you ingredients like... You guys love when I do this. I don't know. Cockadoo? Cockadoo. I'm going to put it here because you guys know I'm probably not saying it right. Okay, and that's a plum. Then there's vitamin A and vitamin D. This mask is the ultimate recipe for skin that glows. All right, today. It helps stimulate collagen, reduce hyperpigmentation, deep clean pores, soothe redness, and protect your skin from harsh environmental aggressors. Well, that's a pretty big punch for such a small bottle, let me tell you. Okay, so this is, oh, hold on. We got to do their little tip. They give you a tip. Apply to clean skin, wait 10 minutes, then rinse with warm water using circular motions. What do circular motions do? Can somebody tell me that? Because I do see that quite often with these things, and I just like, wipe it off. But they're telling me I need to go in a circular motion. I'm not exactly sure what that does. I'm guessing it's preventing something from happening or helping something happen. If anybody knows, comment below so that I can better understand why I need to do it that way. Okay, so this is a deluxe sample. Deluxe. And let me see if I can find this size for you guys. I'd like to let you guys know this is 0.51 fluid ounces United States. And the full version of this product in 7 milliliters is $23. And I gotta say, for everything they just said about it, if it actually works, $23 is not bad. So we'll just have to see how it goes. Oh, I'm sorry. I read the one above it. That's it. Erase all that. Let's try that again. And the full-size version of this product, not the product that I just read above it. Let's try it all again. Just do it all again. Awesome. Is 60 grams for $29.99. Still, not a bad price. I mean, how many more, but $6.99 more than I just told you for the other product that I'm probably going to end up grabbing next. Awesome. Nonetheless, I think that if this thing does what it says it does, I think that's a fair price. So we'll have to see how it goes because I'm definitely going to give it a go. All right, so I believe, no, there's actually 2 more products in here. I lied. Okay. Ooh, Hemp's Pure Herbal Extracts Lips Ultra Moisturizing Herbal Lip Balm enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. Bam! Did you guys get all that? That's a lot. Let's go ahead and, how I like to, just put stuff on. I already got like a ton on my lips right now, but who doesn't need more? Let's just, ooh, that smells good. Let's just put this stuff on. Squeeze it on. Squeeze it on. Okay, there it is. You're supposed to eat it because it tastes delicious. Wow. Look at that. Awesome. So, wow. It tastes quite good. I mean, I could just sit there and, you're not supposed to do that, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so let's read about this guy. Hemp's Herbal Lip Balm. Consider this nourishing lip balm for your new BFF. Okay, I could be down with a lip balm as my BFF. Awesome. You'll want to take it everywhere you go. It's enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil that conditions, softens, and hydrates the delicate skin on your lips. As we're getting into winter, guys, I'm definitely going to need something like this. So if this works really good, I love the way it tastes. It tastes really good. So if it works really good, then I definitely will most likely get more of it because my lips get super dry in the wintertime. I hate it. Okay. So here's your tip. DIY your own hydrating lip stain by mixing this balm with your favorite cream or lip color. Okay, I might give that a go. We'll see how it goes. I probably will be a disaster, but you know what? It's a little tip. I might go ahead and give it a go. Okay, so the full-size version, this is $8.99. And as I always say, this is the full size, by the way. This is a full-size product that they put in here, and you get 0.44 ounces. So I gotta say, though, if this actually works, it's probably worth the $8.99 because, you know, in the wintertime, I'll take whatever I can get to help my lips not crack and bleed. It's just terrible. I might not film all winter, guys, because my lips are probably going to look horrific unless I use this. So we'll see how it goes. All right, now I do have one more product in here. Yep, it's empty. I'll just show you the inside. Super cute. I love this bag, guys. I don't know who I will give this to, but it'll probably be a gift for somebody at some point along the way. So this is a Big Ego. A lot of people have that. Tarte mascara, I'm assuming, because yes, it is, because I always pick out mascara every single time I get a choice with these things because I like to try out different mascaras. Ooh, baby. So this is one of those hourglass shaped wands. Are you guys getting it? I don't know. I feel like I'm just like all over the place. But yeah, this is an hourglass shaped wand, so we will see how this goes. This is obviously a sample size. And I already read you how much the full size costs, but this is 0.067 fluid ounces, and this is the one where I accidentally read the price and everything, but you know, we'll just go ahead and do that one more time because I didn't read about it, so let's do the whole thing. All right, Tarte Cosmetics Big Ego Mascara in black. Fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. Boom, shakalaka. 16 hours? Alrighty. We're here for it. That's right. I'm here for it. This mascara coast, sorry, it doesn't coast. It coats. Coast. Have you ever seen a coasting mascara? All right. At any rate, this mascara coats lashes in ultra black pigments and gives them dramatic lift, length, and volume. Yeah, buddy. And it even doubles as a conditioning lash treatment thanks to nourishing and moisturizing panthenol, and babasu. Right here, guys. I have no idea what either of those words are, and I'm sure I totally butchered both of them. Okay, so here's the tip. For extra volume and length, wiggle through your lashes in a zigzag motion. I'm going to give that a go. Actually, I think I do that a lot anyways, but yeah, it says to use a zigzag motion, and I already read this to you. This is the deluxe sample, and the full-size version is 7 milliliters, and it's $23. Bam! You know, if I keep getting these good mascara little samples in every single bag that I get, I'm probably not going to ever need to buy mascara again. Just saying. So, guys, that was a cute little bag. I mean, I really like this. I'm liking the Ipsy Glam Bag. I like the fact that you get a little bag with every single shipment. And you know what? The products that I got this time, I'm actually really excited to try all of them. And for once, they're actually affordable. If I feel like they work, I can probably continue to buy them. So that's all awesome. I'm down for the Glipsy Glam Bag. Did I say Glipsy? It's Ipsy. I might be a little tipsy. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this up before I totally butcher everything else in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you found it helpful or useful in some way. And if you did, please hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of the super fun stuff I have going on here. Lots of super fun DIYs and other unboxings coming up very soon. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye! Nonetheless, what I want to do today is give this company the spotlight that they deserve with their Ipsy Glam Bag, but they also have various other options for you. Not various, and my hair is just like in my face. Who wants their hair in their face? Try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have for you my September Ipsy Glam Bag. I'm afraid I'm like doing the robotic dance again because of the hair. And I can move it. See? I can move it. For some reason, I'm afraid to. Try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have for you my September Ipsy Glam Bag. I didn't like that. I'm not sure why. Just try it again. Okay, guys. So here's my little package. I do love their packaging. It's super cute. Did I show it? Oh, my address is off of there. Try that again. Awesome.